So, hi guys. Today we're outside and we're gonna do a shiftry raid, and we might lose, which is probably gonna happen. But let's just go into it. Ready? I'm in. Let's go.
It wants you to walk closer to get into the game.
Oh. Let's go! Oh, right here! Shelter! It's really rainy outside.
Alright, last time we used a combination of bug and fire attacks, but this time we're using a better combination of bug and fire attacks.
I'm gonna use my Groudon because Dustox looks terrible. Dustox for done. Just so you know, Dustox evolved from a Wurmple, so that's why I didn't want to do it or use him. What are you gonna use for the battle? You should use a Rapidash. Rapidashes are really good for this mode.
I'm using Scizor, Scyther, Pinsir, Flareon, Heatran, and a poison Tentacruel.
Tentacruel? I think I would use at least one Rapidash for this.
Okay.
Because Rapidashes do really fast damage, and we need to get them down in about 3 minutes. Yeah, about 3 minutes and 20 seconds. 3 minutes and 20. You get 2 minutes and 20. No, 3 minutes and 20 seconds for this raid. I think it's 200 seconds. So we gotta really plan this out. I'm using the same thing as last time.
Okay, out of the Rapidash.
Yeah, good.
Alright, here we go. Starting off with a Scizor.
I'm starting off with a Heatran again. Oh, we're doing less damage, it seems like. I'm using my Groudon. He goes super fast. Super fast, but it's not very effective.
3 charge attacks with a Scizor. This guy's tough.
Yeah. I'm using my Magmar. I don't know why. I should have a Magmortar by now. Oh, we're doing a lot of damage. Magmars are pros at this.
So yeah, my Scyther's got a super good fast.
Oh yeah. Yeah, use your Scyther. Scythers are pretty good with this. Also Lugias.
Okay, so we just got triple Scizor charge attack off. Okay. We got him down about 20%. We're just gonna keep going. Super effective bug attacks.
Yeah. Super effective bug attack.
This guy's tougher than we gave him credit for. Alright, so he's about halfway, but
halfway.
We only have a minute and a half.
Yeah. We might not take him down.
I think we can do it.
Yeah.
Okay, here comes the Rapidash. You recommended.
Rapidash, yeah. Rapidash is going to be...
Come on, Heat Wave. How's that do?
Silver Wind. Silver Wind is a bug attack that does not make sense.
Heatran, super effective. Stop.
I'm using my Heatran too. Double Heatran. We might take it down today.
Well, we got 1 minute, but we still got about 30% health, so...
Ooh, we might not take it down, and we might. No one knows.
We're close.
Only the game knows.
Flareon.
Oh good, a Flareon. All my Pokemon just died.
Alright.
Oh, my Groudon's still in. Forgot about that.
Hey, 30 seconds, he's only got like 10% left. Get in.
Okay, Groudon just died. That's all my Pokemon.
Go, 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 go. We got 20 seconds. Go, go, go.
I'm going in. Going in. Not that.
No.
Rejoining. Just ducks.
Go,
You're
go,
good.
go.
No. We're not gonna do it.
Oh, no.
This shiftry is really attacky. Bye-bye, game.
Wow. So I guess we need one more player to do this one.
Yeah.
Wow, that was tough.
Yeah. Let's see. I finished. What? Oh yeah, I already clicked it. Boop.
All right. Should we head back?
Yeah.
And it's kind of not raining again.
Yeah. So that was a good waiting time. So.
Woo, wow. So
Yeah.
4-star raids, you really need 3 people.
Yeah, you need 3 people for that shiftry raids, or you're just not gonna win.
It was tough. We almost had it. We almost had it, but
yeah, we did. Okay, so bye guys.